I will never ever in a century stop talking about the importance of having an air purifier. And listen, I'm not brand specific. I don't care which air purifier you have. Make sure that you have a good clean air delivery rate, your CADR, and then just get one. And here's why, you guys. I have held a pair of lungs in my hands and I have seen what damaged lungs look like. I want to show you my filter. My son actually just changed this for me. And I was like, hold up, don't take the old one out yet because I need to show the internet. This is a nice, clean carbon filter. This particular air purifier is called an Air Doctor. We also have a couple of other different brands. Inside of here, we have a pre-filter and then the carbon filter. This is what kind of soaks up the VOCs. And then also an ultra HEPA filter. The HEPA filter on this particular model is changed once a year. This is changed about every 6 months when it's running 24/7. So this, I don't know if you can tell on the screen, like it's a little bit dirtier. It's kind of grayer where it would normally like be stark white like this. So those filters together, so important for what they grab out. And then there's just a fan in here, right? So like the fan is grabbing the air here and pushing it out. So like your particles are getting sucked up in these. You guys can figure out how this works, right? Okay, so those go on. Looks like this. Let me show you the old one. I have it in a bag because I don't want this to get all over our floor. Can you see how dirty that is? Now, that's not 6 months worth of dust because I come along with a vacuum and vacuum it off every few weeks. Maybe I went a month on this one because we've had colds here. But I'm just telling you, this kind of stuff, you would be breathing this in. If you don't have a filter, you are the filter. Your moist lungs, that's where all this stuff goes when you breathe it in. So important. So one in every bedroom and one in your main space. Now they're spendy. I know they're spendy. When we first got one, my husband, I was bedridden and sick from mold at the time, and air purifiers are good to clear that stuff out too. So he would take it from the living room during the day, bring it into the bedroom at night, move it again for me in the morning. And that's what we did until we could afford to get a second one. So we could have one in the bedroom, one in the living room. And then slowly we added on and put them in each of our kids' bedrooms. And I'm going to be getting one for our homeschool room soon too, just because of all the dust in there as well. And guys, this is on top of cleaning. We clean our floors every day. We do a little sweeper thing. We have a little vacuum. And then we also use a vacuum on our carpeted surfaces every day. Every day. We are a family of 7, so there is a lot of dust. We have a dog. But you guys, seriously, like, let the air purifier suck up some of that dust for you. So important. Get one. You probably really need it.